So we thank you for what you are doing. We are grateful to the mayor who reached out, the mayor of Jersey City, and deployed whatever he had to try to stop any further any further killings. But can you imagine? I'm sorry if I speak. A few hundred bullets went into a body of a 24-year-old child. How can we, as a community, as people, bear that? I'm sorry. Just want to say, I'm sorry for that.
No, don't be sorry.
But thank you for what you are doing. But as a society, we as the federal, state, and city government, local government, working together, erase that hate, which is, as you said, Mr. Mayor, it's not only to the Jewish community, but to any community that's experiencing that. And just to any, those killings just for gang robberies and money, this has to be stopped. You are working to make this a safe city. May Hashem give you the ability to continue to have this city as the safest city, and that all communities, including us in the Jewish community, feel that we are safe with God's help. Thank you very much.